Hi kids, here I'm doing good. Hope you too stay safe and healthy. Okay, it's time to move on to today's session. Let's see. Last session we seen about the characteristics and mysteries of sea turtles. Today we are going to learn few more information about Olive Ridley's. Yes, let's see. This session tells us that finally how these turtles are suffered for their survival. Okay, come let's see. They have survived natural dangers for millions of years, but sadly, human activities during the last few decades have put them in grave danger. There are many factors that threaten their survival. People hunt them for their meat or collect their eggs. Sometimes they are accidentally trapped in the nest of motorboats. See, even in natural dangers like flood, storm in the sea, it can be capable of living for millions of years. But sadly, our human activities put themselves into grave danger. Not one or two things, so many factors are affected their survival. Mainly people hunt them for the purpose of collecting their meat or eggs, or else they itself caught accidentally in the nest of motorboats. See, this is how the humans put themselves into grave danger by doing all those kinds of things. Just have a look at how they are collecting their eggs and its meat. Now, you itself came to know that how the olive ridleys are accidentally trapped in the nest of motorboats. Just have a look at that clip. Problems like pollution, dumping of plastics into the ocean, and construction activities on nesting beaches also hurt their survival. Only by systematically tackling these problems and removing these threats can we ensure that sea turtles will continue to exist in the years to come. Shekhar Dattatri. Not only we mentioned this, and also it faced by so many problems like pollution, dumping of waste. As a human being, we should take some safety measures to remove or eradicate these threats and make sure that survival of turtles to exist in the years to come. Just have a look at here. Now you itself came to know that how the olive ridleys or get affected by dumping of waste which we thrown into the sea. In order to save these sea turtles, we need to tackle some problems by systematically. Then only we can address to remove all these threats. Okay. Up to this, today's session got over. Here I mentioned our homework part, and all you have to do is read and practice the lesson louder. Thank you.